friends, it's Penny Wolf, and I have another thrift haul video to share with you today. Got some neat items. I think pretty sure all of these I picked up yesterday. Got some really neat things to share with you and show you. It'll be really interesting. If you haven't watched any of my other videos before, I sell on eBay and also Posh. I've been selling on eBay for quite a few years, and on Posh just the last few years. And if you like, you can subscribe because I have a lot of other videos up, other thrift haul videos, some plus size video, clothing to sell, haul video, and then also like what's sold and ship with me type videos. Anyhow, we'll get right to it. This first item, I think this is a boutique item because I didn't recognize the brand, but it is brand new tags, but I bought it because it's very pretty. It's got these shells on it, and it's got this beaded, look here. And even though it's a button up, it's real thin, and it's really nice. And like I said, I think that's just like a maybe a boutique brand. I've not ever heard of that before. Antina Latoria. I don't know. I mean, I guess it could be, something. But anyways, I thought it was really pretty. I only paid $1 for that. And, if I sell it for $10 or $15, that's still a great return on investment. When you're selling clothing, the biggest key is volume. You got to list. The more you list every day, the more listings you can get up every day, the more you'll sell every day. For a while there, I was trying to get like 15 up a day, and I would sell like 7. It's like half. And I've been trying to get up more than that, trying to work up to 30 to where I have, tried to get like 15 sales a day. I mean, and that may give or take or whatever, during slow season or busy season type thing. But as an average, and I think I've heard one of the other resellers mention that too. But the biggest key is to list, like I always say, because that's how you'll increase your sales, the number one way. This is Burton. If you're not familiar with Burton, it is a great brand to pick up. This is very thick. It's very nice. It's a hoodie, and I think I got this for $1. And I don't know on comps on this because I don't know if I haven't had too many Burton, and I'll have to look this up. But it'd be great. I really don't know. I would have to say, I'd like to think between 20 or 30. I don't know. That's just like a guess. This is a jcrew, and it's kind of older. And I just thought it was really cute. I did think about keeping it, but I think I'll list it. It ties here, and you can, you can just tell it's older. If you're not familiar with jcrew, they usually have a style number, and then also when it was made, like it'll say like, SU 20 would be September, or would be like summer of 2020. And I've heard you'd want to sell like the last few years. I don't have my glasses on. I don't know what that says there. This might be 2010. That is an old brand, but it has a style number. You can look up the style number, Google it, type in jcrew and then the style number, and then I push on images, and then you look it up that way, or you can use Google Lens. For a long time I couldn't get that Google thing to work, but it does work, especially on jcrew, Lucky, Madewell, things like that. This is older. Hopefully it will still sell. That's an older jcrew brand there, tag there. This I bought, and a lot of these items I got most of these for like $1. At the thrift store because it was their sale, for the day. This is a Talbots, and the reason I picked this up is because it's silk. Talbots I don't pick up very much anymore. It's not quite as bright a red as what it shows on there. Actually, it's kind of almost like it's actually, now it looks a little gold, it looks a little orange. But anyways, it's silk, and I'd say maybe 15 or 20 on that. This is Bowden, and I only find this once in a while, but this is a cute little top. Hopefully this is still selling. It was a popular brand. If you're not familiar with it, it's Bowden, and it's kind of hard to see on there. And I don't know, maybe $10 or $15. But if you have 10 sales a day, and if your profit was $10, that'd be $100. Times that by 7, that's $700 for the month. That'd be $2,800. Obviously you want to get, your price per item up higher than that. But if you're still at 10 and you sold 20 items a day, that'd be $200 a day. That'd be $1,400 for the week. Anyhow, it all adds up. And when you're doing clothing, even though you know you'd like to pick up the high end items too, but sometimes you don't come across a lot, or maybe you don't want to pay full price at the thrift stores what they want for them. Anyways, I'll have it's bread and butter because it's volume. This I did not look up. My reseller friend that is there on Fridays, she decided not to take it because it looked kind of big, for the size. I think it's just the way that it's made, and it's because she said, well, is this men or women's? Well, the snaps are on the left. It must be women's, but it's wool. And I've not heard of this. It's like Henry Grethel. And I'll have to look it up. But I thought she said it sold like $30, $40. And, I think that's what, the herringbone? I don't know if this is the herringbone. But anyways, this would be nice for winter, and that would be great. This next item is a dress that she was going to take, and she decided not to. And she looked it up, and she said that this does sell. It's WAYF, and that's it there. And I've seen this tag lately, and I thought she might have mentioned it once before. But anyways, this little dress, she didn't tell me how much the comps were on this, but I'd say between maybe 15 and 25. I don't know. It could be a little bit more than that. That would be great. This I was really happy to pick up, and this I ended up getting this. Let's see. Yes, I got this for $1. It's icebreaker, and I don't know if I found any icebreaker before. Maybe, but it's been a long time ago, and I've heard other resellers, talk about it. But it's an open front cardigan. It's beautiful. It's purple. I don't know what the comps are on this because I haven't come across icebreaker that often. And this is, I think, merino wool. I think that's what it is. I don't know on this. It'd be great if it was like 25 to 35. I don't know. But I do know that that's supposed to be a popular brand. This is a Garnet Hill, and I bought this. I don't pick up Garnet Hill anymore because it doesn't seem to sell. But this is brand new with tags. And it either ties here. It's a cardigan, but it's really big. I don't know, you could probably almost wrap it around and then tie it again on the side. I don't know. But it was brand new with tags. It doesn't have how much it was brand new. But I thought, brand new with tags, got to give it a try. Should be worth at least $20, I would think. Hopefully more. But, at least if you get like 20, that'd be a really great flip on only investing $1. That would be excellent. This is a lucasi, and, you're going to want to check and make sure that they're authentic, when you do purchase them, because sometimes it's faked. There's ways to tell, and you can Google it. But they're always usually made in, this is Peru. I don't know if the other ones are Peru. I think the polos might be France. But anyways, you can tell by the alligator and also the stitching and the styling. One good thing to always remember, when it's a higher end brand, usually all of their labels are completely even. They're nicely sewn. Everything is really nice. A lot of times when you measure them, like across, they'll be an exact, like let's say if it's 20 across, it'll be exact 20 instead of 20.5, 20 and a half. But I don't know on the Lucasi, but a lot of the high-end brands, those are some little other indications. But you're going to want to authenticate to make sure it's real. I just noticed there's a tiny little hole right here, and I'll have to note that if I list them with that. I don't know. This doesn't sell for as much as it used to. It doesn't seem like, maybe, but it just doesn't sell for a ton. With that little hole, maybe 15 or 20. This is a jcrew, and this part here is linen, and I haven't looked up the material. This could be, let's see. Yes, the under dress is silk. Linen silk dress. I don't know what kind of year was on this. I'd have to do some checking and find the other tag, and maybe hopefully get like a style number on this. There is a tag. Hopefully it's got at least a style number. It does. Actually, this is an older piece. I don't know. It could say, I don't know what it says, but it's definitely older. I don't think it's anything new. It looks like in the 2000s. And but it does have a style number. But look how pretty that is. A two-piece. I don't know. With that being linen and silk, even though it's an old style, I'd say this should be worth something. At least 25 and up. Maybe 25 to 35. I don't know. 40. That would be great. This next item's my favorite find for the day. I had another favorite find, but this is my favorite score for the day. It's a Lululemon jacket, and it's kind of like a puffer jacket. And I was like, I got it at this resale shop, and they didn't price it up, and I was surprised about that. And anyways, it was only like $5.99, and it still has the tear out tag, which is great because then it gives you all the information. Lululemon will have this tag if it's not tore out. Now, a large majority of their clothing, it's already going to be tore out. And the way that you identify it from there is looking for the symbol, and then you got to check it out from there. But this does have the Lululemon symbol on it. But I was super happy about this. I would say, I don't know. I started looking up comps, and now I don't remember because I think it was either late last night or early this morning. I don't remember. But I know it was 50 and up, I think. But for $5.99, I was super happy about this. This dress I thought was super cool looking, and that's what drew my attention. It's very artsy. I would classify this as wearable art. It's very asymmetric on the end. It's got one pocket, and it's got all this artist stuff that looks, kind of like a famous artist, and I'll have to look that up. But I took time to look up the brand. It's Inoah, and it's INOAH, and it is worth some money. And I don't remember now how much it was, but I know it would be like 20, 25 and up from there. But I thought it was really neat. I don't think this is linen, but it almost feels like it. I'll have to look at the tag to see. I don't have my glasses. It's kind of hard for me to see some of the little tags. But anyways, I found out where the bottom is. I don't know if I'll be able to see it from here. Oh, no, it's polyester. I was surprised, but it's made in the USA. It does have a style number, but I don't know. But isn't that cool looking? I mean, look how cool that is. I thought that was neat. This is Elaine Fisher, and this I probably had to maybe spend a lot, around $7, but it's a maxi. And I took a chance. Elaine Fisher, you might want to check comps before you spend a lot of money. But I thought this was worth it, and this might be a large, well, it's a size large, and I thought it is actually sweater material. It's probably got wool in it, long sleeve. I don't know. I'd like to say maybe $50 and up on that, especially with Elaine Fisher. It could be. This I thought was very pretty. I love bright colors. If you watched any of my other videos before, I love neon colors, and this would be a cool top to keep. I don't know. It would be really cool. I think it's a little bigger. No, it's a small. It's a Free People. Almost all Free People that I find, with a few exceptions, there's a few, maybe some mediums. I think I've only found large once or twice. One I can remember right now. It seems like they're almost all smalls and extra smalls. But look how cool this is. It's semi-sheer at the bottom. Isn't this cool? I don't know. I really would like to. I don't know. I'll probably list it, but that's a Free People, and I thought that's really cool. Free People sometimes can be a hard sell. You're going to want to check comps before you pay very much. And this was, it was green there. What color was their tag? I think, I think I might got this for $1. But anyway, I'm pretty sure. But you're going to want to check comps on Free People because some of the pieces don't sell very quickly. They can really sit or sell for very much. But some pieces do. Just really check it out first or whatever. But my other favorite find I found was I had found some other really great pieces and stuff like that, But this was my favorite thrift find, for reselling or whatever. Anyhow, this is kind of a short video, but hopefully you've enjoyed it. If you could do me a favor and push a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. And if you could please subscribe, I would appreciate that too. Many prosperous sales to you. Have a blessed day. Thank you.